Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, y'all know my sugar has been way up because of that prednisone I took last week. It's still up. I just took it not too long ago and it was 246, and that's high. I was going to drive to my doctor's office to take him the orders for my MRI for my foot and pick up my referral for my podiatrist, finally. And I can't go because I can't drive nowhere right now. But anyway, and all my people working, they can't do it. So I've been trying to eat right because of my diabetes. I have type 2. And y'all know I've been eating just like a crazy person. No regard to diabetes. I was eating cake, ice cream, breaded chicken just about every other day. And I can't have all this stuff. So right now I'm forced to eat better. So I've been looking up keto recipes and stuff with low carbs. So I discovered cloud bread and some other recipes for stuff that has very low carbs, or maybe it's high in fiber and protein, so that will kind of cancel out the carbs. So I got me a hand mixer. I got one of the big KitchenAid. I got one of the big ones that sit on the counter. But I need me a hand mixer, and I want to whip up something quick. So this is what I ordered from Amazon. I don't even know how to pronounce this name. NAITESEN. That's what it looks like. And let me show you. I got this one because it was portable and it has 600 watts. So that's high powered to me. So it comes with a manual, instruction manual. Okay. And it comes with feeders and dough hooks. Got the beaters and 2 dough hooks, which is nice. And I like this that it comes with a stand, and you put the beaters in it. And this mixer looks different than all the other mixers I've ever had. I like the looks of it. That's another reason I got this one. It had good reviews. It has this kind of bottom so it can stand up on the counter. It has this thing here where you can wrap the cord around here so the cord ain't laying all over the counter. And it has a thing where you can press, where you can push the beaters out. You got different speeds, which I like. I'm not going to plug it in, but y'all know how mixers work. So let me see how you put this in here. No, it wasn't in that good. I think one beater is bigger than the other. I heard it click. I'm gonna get in there. That's not in there. If I don't hear it click, oh, there it goes. So I'm gonna push them out. Press this button here. I like that. Speed conversion, and it had different levels, like from 0 to 5. Okay, so that's about it for a mixer. Y'all know how hand mixers work. And this fits in here. if I want to put it on my counter, which I have no room on my counter for anything, but I still like it. So that's the way it would look if it was sitting out on the counter. Very nice. And it just sits down in here very nicely. Okay, so that's my short review for this NAITESEN. What does this say? Well, it has a 12-month warranty. This is the NAITESEN Hand Mixer. It has 10 speeds. What's copper? Say something on here is copper. I don't know what's copper, but it's 600 watts. And most of the little hand mixers are 300 watts. So I want something heavy duty. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day.